Okay, this is lesson 9.3. Copy down your vocabulary. Pause the video. Example 1, we're going to try and find angle C of the triangle. So I want Mohammed. Mohammed, how many degrees are in a triangle? 180. So I'm writing 180 on the line. Okay, now they're saying that, what are the other two angles that I already know? Rose?
42 and 90.
42 and 90, excellent. So those are going to go on the other two lines. When I add 42 and 90 together, I get
132.
132. Thank you, Miss Erica. And when I subtract 132 from both sides, 180 minus 132 is, Mohammed? 48. That is correct. Okay, letter B, we're going to find the measure of angle M. So we know that how many degrees are in a triangle? 180. Excellent. So if we put 180 here, 180 here, what are the two angles that they give us?
23 and 62.
62 and 23. Excellent. What do I get when I add 62 plus 23? It's 85. That is correct. Subtract 85 from both sides. 180 minus 85? 95. That is correct. Okay, we're checking our answers. For check it out 1A, you should have found that letter B equals, Noelia?
52 degrees.
52 degrees. That is correct. And for letter 1B, we should have found that X equals, Kenny? 119 degrees. That is correct. Example 2. We have find the measure of an isosceles triangle. So now we have 2t because I have 1t. So 1t plus 1t is 2t plus 2.
62.
That should be 62, but my PDF is messing up. So we're going to subtract 2 from, we're going to subtract 62 from each side. So, that's what I thought. So this should say 118. So I have 180 minus 118 is, or, I'm sorry, 180 minus, plus, yeah, minus 62 is 118. So then 118 divided by 2 is 56. Is it 56 or 59? 59 is correct.
It says it on the bottom right after I finished.
Okay, letter B. We need to find the measure of the angles for this scalene triangle. Notice that each side does not have the same angle. So they all equal 180. So now I need to subtract. So if I subtract, what the? 10, this is 10x. And this is 180. My pen is messing up. Okay, so then we divide by 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. 180 divided by 10 is 18 degrees. That is correct. Okay, we're going to review it now. So we're looking at check it out 2A. So after we subtract 36, what's 180 minus 36? Miss Rose?
72
No. 180 minus 36? 144. And then you divided, correct, Rose? And then Rose got
72.
72 degrees. That is correct, Rose. Excellent job. And then for letter 2B, this is actually an algebra and geometry question combined. So what you're going to do is you're going to add all the p's. So add 8p plus 34p plus 1p. So when I add 8 plus 34, I get 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. So I should have 43p. And I'm going to subtract 8. So 180 minus 8 is 172. So take 172 divided by 43. And P equals
I didn't get it.
4. I got it.
4. That is correct.
You got
Like,
3.6,
can you
Michael.
please show me how to do it? I was big.
But we are not finished because P equals 4, and they want us to find the measure of each angle. So what's 8 times 4? 32 degrees, so that angle is 32. What's 4 times 34?
136.
136 degrees, that's correct. And 4 plus 8? 12 degrees, that's correct. Okay, now that we're done, we're going to move on to example 3.
I'm a lizard.
So let's look at example 3 on our page. Scrolling down. The second angle in a triangle is 6 times as large as its first. The third angle is half as large as the second. Find the angle measures and draw a possible picture. So let x be the first angle, 6x be the second angle, and 1/2 times 6x be the third angle. So we know that they equal 180, so we can fill in our blank, 180. So this is the triangle sum theorem.
It's 18.
When you're in geometry, you're going to have to write out why you said it's 180. So like on one side of your paper, you write the work that you did. On the other side of the paper, you write the theorem. So this is an introduction to geometry. Pausing the video. Perfect. 180 divided by 10 is 18. So then we need to go back and find out our angle measures. So the first angle measure is 18. And then we have 54. And then 108. And they kind of already gave it away over here.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to do 3, check it out on your own.
Well, it looks like the alpha.
He's going to give us the answer. So Julian, what do I need to add?
Got to add x's. Other x. Well, sorry, 2x and then you have to get 3x plus x, parentheses x plus 2x over 2 to get 3x divided by 2.
So this would be 1/2 x plus 1x. So how much would that be together?
180.
I'm guessing this is on that.
Can I answer the answer?
4.5 x.
Wait, this is on that.
So what's 180 divided by 4.5? Greg? Greg got 40. Kenny?
Well, for angle 1, I got 40 degrees. For angle 2, I got 80 degrees. And angle 3, I got 60 degrees. Just add up to 180 degrees. And I came up with a different way to do it.
40. So you should have found x equals 40. So you said angle 2 equals 80. Angle 4 equals 40. And then angle 3 equaled, this should be 120 divided by
How is there an angle
60.
4?
Excellent work. These should be your answers right here. If you need to ask Mrs. McCown a question or come in for extra tutoring, please do. Thank you for watching.